Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the look today. It is another Steinmart dress, and the shoes are also Christian Siriano, and they match the dress. They're same type of design. I was lucky to find that. Yeah, and this one has pockets, so it's not as flowy as the other ones, but it's still, I think, very flattering to my figure. So today I did end up cutting the banana tree down outside. I did make a video, but I was in a two-piece bikini, and I cannot upload it into YouTube because they will take it down. They took down the one that I did for when I was putting up fixing the fence from the hurricane damage, and that was, I had a bikini on and I had a cover up over it, so bikini they will take it down as well. I am looking to see if I can find another website that I can put a long video at, because all the ones that I've run into, they're short videos, or else I'm going to just have to make a very small video. But I'm still working on it. I did capture the information, the content, so I have it. I just gotta find somewhere to put it. And I also was tanning. I did not video that. I did take some stills of it, and I will be uploading those into other platforms that I have, and the links are below if you guys want to take a look. They are pay-per-view, but you are more than welcome to come and look. Do you guys like this dress, or is it too subtle for you? I love that they have pockets. I have a lot of these too. They have pockets, and so they're not very, this one's not as flurry. Flurry, but very beautiful nevertheless. I think that I bought it because I bought these shoes from the Christian Siriano shoes, so I love stilettos. I bought the shoes, and then I wanted to find a dress to match the shoes. And I went to the store and I found this thing. I was like, that's got my name written all over it. So, that's it. And, yeah, as always, welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you for the likes and comments, and continue please to share the videos and like and comment. I do appreciate it immensely, all the support all around the world. Hello to England and Scotland, Russia, France, Italy, everywhere you guys see me, everywhere you can hear my voice. Ciao. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to do, after this, I'm going to do another photo shoot for the other sites, and then I'm going to go and reply to all your comments. I try to reply to every one of them. I don't want you guys to think that I don't take you guys for granted. So I do like to answer all the comments. I might miss some here and there because they're hidden somewhere, but hopefully I'll eventually find it and I will answer them. And I'm loving this little thing, so I could just walk. I wish that it tilted up and down, but it doesn't. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow as usual for our coffee date. We'll have coffee with you, and then I will also do a dress video, minimal, those two at least, tomorrow. I haven't really done anything in the backyard. My house is pretty clean, so I haven't really done any cleaning videos, so I don't have nothing to, I haven't had anything to record, but as I do, I pretty much record everything I do. So as things come up, as chores come up, I will definitely post them. I did do one where I was washing the dog today, but that was not appropriate for YouTube, so that's on other websites. Yeah, so tell me, how do you like my dress? I think it's very elegant and flattering. The pockets, love it. And yeah. You guys like my shoes? I have to walk far to see the shoes. You know? Yeah, shoes. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Yeah. So, I appreciate you guys coming by. Let me know if you like my look. And if you have anything, suggestions for content, what type of stuff you want to see, let me know, and I will definitely be more than happy to take it into consideration. All right, and today I'm all dressed up and nowhere to go, so I'm just gonna go undress and do the other shoot. All right, guys. Well, again, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for subscribing and for watching the videos. Thank you for all the comments. Please continue to subscribe. And like I said, if you guys want to join any of my other websites, the links are below. If not on this one, and another one. And I will see you there. Thank you so much for everything. I love you guys. And I will see you tomorrow.